So, my dear students, in today's class, we are going to take a grammar class. We are going to discuss the topic prepositions. This is chapter 11 from your grammar textbook. Please listen to the class carefully. Let me begin today's class with an image. Look at this picture. Ooh, doesn't this look so scary? What do you see here? You see a dog is barking very loudly. Suppose you are walking on the road and you are hearing the barking of this dog. Definitely, this is something to scare you. Now, when dogs are approaching, it is always good to know where they are so that we can protect ourselves. Are they behind us or in front of us? Will they be arriving in few minutes? So these kinds of things you would like to know. So this is where the importance of preposition comes. What is a preposition? Preposition is that what tells us where and when something is placed. Okay, simple meaning of preposition is that. Just look at that word preposition. Position is the key word over there. So it is showing us where the noun is placed. In this case, the noun is dog. So we would like to know where the noun is placed. That is, the dog is placed. Is the dog behind us? The position of the dog, is it behind us or is it in front of us? We would also like to know the time when it is coming closer to us. Is it coming in 3 seconds? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. This is the simple definition of preposition. So, like I said, prepositions indicate relationship between other words in a sentence. Most often they tell you where something is or when something happened. That is the most common role of a preposition. Next thing is that, children, you need to understand that the same preposition can be used for different context. Like for example, the word noun as a preposition, it can be used to show a place, it can be used to show a time, etc. So hence preposition can be quite confusing also. Now let us look into the types of preposition. Prepositions indicate direction, time, location and spatial relationship. Spatial relationship means space. Okay, it shows us the space of the noun or the pronoun. Now directions. Directions, let me give you one example. Look to the left and you will see our destination. To is a preposition. Time. We have been working since this morning. Since is a preposition of time. Location. We saw a movie at the theater. At is a preposition of location. The dog hid under the table. So it is showing a space. Under is a preposition of space. Let me now take you to another image. This is an image of our friendly dog here and the different prepositions where that noun dog is placed. So in the first sentence, the dog is in the car. Next sentence, the dog is above the another dog. Okay, then the dog is between two trees. The dog is running after his friend. The dog is on the bed. The dog is under the bed. The dog is running across the garden. So from one point to another point. That means across. The dog is sitting before his friend. The dog is behind the tree. The dog is next to a post. The dog is in the middle of the circle. The dog is among his friends. The dog is near a cart. In this one, the dog is in front of the tree. Next one, the dog is running around the tree. The dog is at the door. The dog is away from the house. The dog is beside his owner. The dog is beneath the tree. The dog is out from his kennel. So can you see the different positions where the dog has been placed? So these are prepositions of place. Okay, many examples you can see over here. So now let us get into our exercise and understand more about preposition. So the first exercise that we have here is underline the preposition in these sentences. First question, could you tell me the name of this locality? Preposition is of. Farah is standing beside Rumi. Beside, so showing the position where Farah is standing. So beside is a preposition. Shalini packed her clothes in a suitcase. So where are the clothes? The clothes are in the suitcase. So it is in is the preposition. Vishal will have lunch with his friends. So with is the preposition there. Yamini has saved her pocket money for a new book. For is the preposition there. The next sentences from 6 to 10 you can do as your review test. Next exercise we will quickly go through. Tick the correct options. Tell me what you know about Kalidasa. Kalidasa was a famous Sanskrit poet of India. Of is the correct answer. It is said that he lived during the reign of Chandragupta II. Okay, so time period it is showing. That is why during and not from is used there. His plays and poetry are primarily based on the Mahabharata. The earliest reference to him is found at Mandsaur Sun Temple in Madhya Pradesh. So with this, children, I am concluding today's class. We will do more exercises and I will give you more explanation on preposition in our next class. So till we meet again, have a wonderful day and keep studying hard. Be good children. Thank you.